Just popped down to Foffy Blaster to collect the last of my parts. There we go. Just gonna blow the last bit of sand off them. So wheels done. One of them's well pitted, not his fault. It's just the way it is. So that's just scrap, I think. But we've got 5 good wheels, I think. So that's all good. All the radius arms been shot blasted. Again, it's only what I've taken apart, so that's what he's got given. So box full of bits, all blasted. Got our 2 doors blasted. Subframe, which is good. That's looking good. Nice and solid. Bonnet and boot. Okay, we're back. Let me just check the video. Yes, it's working. Just didn't hear it for some reason. So yeah, we're back. Parts in the car. Before I bring them all in and start piling this place up with more rubbish, gonna do a bit of welding for the end of this video. And I think the next video, or maybe if we can, will be pour 15 the rear subframe. I've been promising that for months and months, so must do that. And yeah, so we'll get this on the side. There's a couple of holes in the rear seat area that need filling in. Yeah, I've got a few runs in places, but yeah, I wasn't having a brilliant time painting at the time. But it will be rubbed down anyway. It's just, again, the key thing was to stop stuff rusting. And yeah, so it's good. It's actually quite nice actually seeing it in one colour. You know, you start to get an idea. Oh, it's a mini. But anyway, let's get it rolled over and finish off, see what we can do on this side. Okay, rolled it over, made a mistake, but don't worry about that. So yeah, we've got this getting very thin area, which we need to cut out. And it looks like quite a lot of this panel needs replacing here. And this panel here is like a little corner section, just fills it in. So yeah, which we should have done ages ago, but that's me. And then we've got the same pretty much down the other side, but we've already done the sort of half a repair on that. So yeah, it even goes into the hole there slightly. So yeah, I don't think we can get to that. Is that? Might be the boot. We'll have to see. So yeah, let's cut it out and see what we're left with. Okay, one of the holes cut. I think that's pretty good. It feels quite thick. See it quite thin there. Just got to be careful. So yeah, old A panel, if anybody remembers it, the one that I buggered up. Make a nice perfect panel hopefully. So because we managed to cut it out in one piece, we can try and attempt to scribe around it and cut it out, and hopefully that makes our template. We'll see. Alright, my dad's just texted me, so wants a couple of measurements. He's working on the other one at the same time. Bit weird. So yeah, he just wants a measurement of the door aperture. This is his pattern panel because he's a pattern king. Seems a bit short, so he wants me to measure my door and see how good that is. He's assuming mine's right. Hey, another piece of rust gone. Yeah, what I've realised is you've got to try and clean off this epoxy. Yeah, don't like being welded through, so yeah, make sure you clean off. So again, hindsight, wonderful thing is we should have just ploughed on with welding it. But anyway, do what you want to do, don't listen to me. Yeah, just got little holes that annoy me, so fill them in. There's a car going backwards down the road. Where are they going? Don't know. Anyway, let's see if we can do anything with this corner. At the top here, like that one. Alright, gonna call it for the day. Sometimes these little tractors go so slow for me. But anyway, ooh, yeah, the gas off. Gas off. Waste that. So I may go back over with a bit of epoxy primer again. We'll see. I'm gonna have to obviously have the epoxy primer anyway for doing odds and sods like all the wheels and the doors anyway. So if I can try and hold off a week painting those other bits, keep them dry, and we're all good. So anyway, yeah, lovely jubbly. What I might just do, I'm just going to do it anyway. I'm going to cut the hole out down the bottom there for the other bit of rust, just because I feel like doing that, because I can feel like I'm cutting something anyway. It's a bigger hole than I thought, but to be honest, I think it might even need to be a bit bigger. You can see it's quite pitted up here as well. So I think I'm going to have to come up a bit higher and make another triangle. So yeah, quite a big chunk to replace there, but it's the way it goes. Alright guys, yeah, we're getting there. We've got the I've got a few more of these brackets. These are the old ones off the original car, the fuel line and the brake hose. So try and grind them off, clean them up, reuse them. I think they go like that. I think it goes down the centre one, then curls back in. So yeah. Alright, yeah, so clean them up, got to get them on and crack on. So yeah, next few days of welding, more welding. Dad's asked to borrow the spot welder, so I'm going to bury that up there. His sister's going up there to see him, so she can take the spot welder. He can use it for a bit. I don't think I need it. Do I need it, guys? I think I've done most things with it. So yeah, until the pickup comes along, but we're not desperately in need for that in the next close coming weeks, that's for sure. So yeah, let's send the spot welder to my dad. Alright guys, have a good Monday evening. Not even got a Foggies for tea. Do apologise.